Welcome to another edition of Just Try It DIY. Yes, today we are going to work on a jack-o'-lantern. Not really, hey. Hey everybody, it's me. And yes, we are going to carve a jack-o'-lantern with power tools. Yes, we're going to get started on this and I'm going to show you everything we're going to use to do it. Let's get started. All right, so like I said, we're going to use some power tools to go ahead and carve up a pumpkin tonight. We're going to use a marker. Sharpie here works really great, easy to mark on a pumpkin and everything. Then the nice thing about it, acetone or nail polish remover, if there's anything that is still left over at the end, we can knock it off and take it off with that. So that works nice for that. Jigsaw here. Make our big cuts around the top, any of the cuts we want to make on the front. If you want something very symmetrical, we can use a drill. You use a big hole saw. You can use small drill bits to do a pattern. We'll show you one of those later. And let's go and get started on this. So let me show you first thing. All right, so first when we get started, I'm going to make a hole here. You don't want to make a perfectly circle hole because then you want to make sure that everything's still square. So a non-descriptive design that you can put on here and make sure it's big enough to put your hand in there. My Wreck-It Ralph hands are really big, so I made sure that we make a big enough mark here to get that all cut out. All right, so what you can do, you can drill a hole here to get started, but like you can tell, I've already used this a couple times on a couple other pumpkins, so all you gotta do is just put it up where you want it, and you can push it right through. It's not that difficult. I also, on this Ryobi, this is a P5231. It does have an adjustable speed on the top, so I slowed it way down to make sure that we're not getting all crazy. It doesn't take very much to cut these, so. The acetone, see, like I see, there's a whole bunch of marks here. This is where I wanted to go, but I'll show you real quick. A little bit of acetone there, and it just cleans them right off. Pull that off, there we go. Here's one of the kits we picked up at, I think, Walmart. This is the little scooper I like to use on here. There's no need to going in there and trying to pull all this out. You're not gonna get it in one grab, so you just start scraping around the edge and work your way down. You can already see how far I'm already getting down there. Now another little cool thing we picked up is this. Pull that drill back out. We'll put this in there. Now there definitely has an edge that does have an edge here. Might get a little messy and crazy, but now that we got her all cleaned out, look at there. Not too bad. Did not take too long. Now, you want to figure out, of course you should have already figured out which side is your best side. This is going to be the front right here for me. I left the cut edge up here high enough to make sure that I had enough room to put my design and everything down the side. So I can put my eyes up here and the mouth down here, or maybe I'll write something on it or whatever. So once we get that done, we can turn it up on its side. We can put our design on it and then start cutting. All right, so I think I got everything done. I actually used the drill to actually do some of the smaller intricate stuff to be able to cut because the saw was gonna be a little too aggressive. So here, check it out. Here we got it. Just try it DIY. So hey, here's some other fun tips here. Hey, kids got some glow sticks. You can always break one of those up, stick it inside, and that's an easy way. Then you don't have to remember to shut off an LED light that's inside there to run down your battery. I think this will work out great. I use the acetone to clean up a little bit of my going outside the lines a little bit. You know, hey, it happens. So Hey, go down and check out some of my other videos. We'd love to have you with me again some other time, and we'll see you next time.